Meaning of guv'nor.
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 Guv'nor. Guv'nor is a colloquial term used in British English as an informal way of addressing someone in a position of authority or power, such as a boss or manager. It is derived from the phrase governor, which was originally used to refer to colonial administrators. The term is often associated with the working class and Cockney dialects of London. Its use conveys a sense of familiarity and respect, and it is often used in a friendly or humorous way. Overall, guv'nor is a term used to denote a person of authority or respect, particularly in a casual or informal context.